Hello, Year 8. Just another assembly for you. I have to say it's been really lovely to catch up with so many of you over the last few days and meeting up with you over the next couple of days as well, and just catching up, saying hello and seeing how you're all doing. I'm glad to see that you all seem to be keeping well. It can be a bit boring, I know that, but you are making the best of it. We're going to continue with our theme of health and well-being, looking in particular at, again, the 5 steps to well-being that we started on the last assembly. Last time we looked at getting active. Today we are going to maybe concentrate on looking at connect. This is all linked into your the Wednesday catch-up Wednesday this week, where we're going to try and encourage you to connect or to give or to get active. We'll look at giving next assembly. So today we're looking at connecting, and we're looking at the different ways that we do connect already and the ways that we can connect. We connect in so many different ways. A lot of us connect really well socially through all these different types of media. But there's loads of other ways that we can connect. For example, it's really important and it's really nice if you just really ring somebody for a chat. Just a simple phone call to say hello or to see how they're doing, just to say that you were thinking about them and just as a catch-up. It also could be something that you could do to sit down and play a board game with some of your siblings in a way of connecting. Instead of fighting with them or arguing with them over the different laptop that you need to use or the iPad, you can maybe sit down and play a board game and connect with them that way. One thing that I particularly love is getting post, and it's a really good way of connecting with people. Sending somebody a nice card, and maybe even send them a little gift like a bar of chocolate or a cookie card. Something like that is a good way of connecting with somebody. Think about those people that you could connect with, your friends from your class, friends from your previous primary school, members of your family, perhaps a neighbour who you think is maybe a little bit left on their own, or maybe an aunt or an uncle, or maybe some of your cousins. Lots of people are feeling a bit lonely at the minute, and you taking the time to just spend a minute trying to connect with them could really make such a massive difference to them. So bear that in mind over the next few days, and particularly on Wednesday. I also need to mention the Housemasters Challenge this week. We're starting a new challenge with the Stand By Me. You'll hear an awful lot about it from Housemasters, but it'd be really great if you got involved and took action to try and help support the children in Ethiopia. So it's something that you will be hearing about in the next few days, but try and get as involved as possible. And it might actually be a way of connecting. You could do it virtually with other people within your group as well. Half term is fast approaching. Keep working hard. And make sure that you keep submitting the tasks, turning up to the Zooms. And if you are having issues, please speak to your tutor, to myself, or to your teachers. Use Wednesday to connect and to give or to keep active. And make sure that they then come and give some feedback to your tutors, telling them what you've actually done. Make sure you use half term to look after yourselves. Have some proper time out. Take care and keep safe.